hair yesterday. Sorry, I did my hair yesterday. Oh, my forehead looks so big. Oh my god, wait. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. But like, myself. Just don't mind it. Sorry. Just don't mind it. Because it's annoying me right now, but if I pay attention to it, it's gonna annoy me even worse. So I am going to do some chores and fold up some rags in my house. Some rags before I start my online school again, because I don't want anything to do because my sister's birthday's tomorrow. Also, it's like in the it's like Independence Day or something. So I'm gonna so I'm gonna do all this really quick and then go back to work. I'm finally done, so I'm going to like start doing more online school, and then after I'm gonna start getting ready to go to like HEB because we have to buy a cake for my sister for my sister's birthday, and all the stores are gonna be closed tomorrow. So my hair is bothering me so bad. Bro, I spent hours, days on this for it to come out like this. No words. Actual no words. I'm so cooked. Professional communications is going to kill me. That's all I have to say. Like, we have to... Sorry, something moved. We have to do like speeches and stuff. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I thought I was able, like, I thought that I would be able to escape Quizlet. Back again. I can't do this. 53 terms. My summer is gone. My summer is gone and I'm going insane. Cause okay, so we're gonna leave out soon. I think we have like 15 minutes or so I'm like putting on sunscreen and stuff, because I'm telling you, in Texas it's so hot, bro. It's so hot. Like, oh my gosh, I walk outside and I feel like I'm gonna get heat stroke like immediately. I'm like sweating buckets. Like, what is going on? Like, it's not funny. Cause like, bro, Texas, like my mom, she went to Jamaica. She said that it was that Texas is hotter. And I was like, damn, cause I would like go to Jamaica for the summer to spend time with my family, and say that those temperatures it's cooler than here. It's some serious, like, it's seriously messed up, bro. But yeah, anyway, I don't know, this shirt and like these shorts are my fit. Wait, let me see if I can turn the camera on. This is the don't judge, all right? I have no sense of fashion. And I feel like this is quite, yeah. All right, I'm just doing what I have to do. Like, no. But now I have to like decide what to do with all of this. It looks it looks like, it doesn't look bad, but like, it doesn't really look, there's like short parts in the front because I ran out of hair, and so I had to use different hair, but the hair was like a shorter length. So now this is what I have compared to this. That's criminal. Like, I don't know. And then there's like some parts of it that's giving like a boxy looking thing. I don't just like, it's not eating. It's not eating, but like, it's not, it doesn't look bad. But yeah, I'll figure out something to do with it and then I'll pick back up my phone. Did it eat? I mean, I just tucked this part behind my ear and it looks so much better, I think. But like, I'm thinking that maybe I should like put this side behind my ears too. And then maybe it will like even it out. What do you think? That's cute too, I don't know. But it doesn't matter. I'm going to AGB. It's not fashion competition, you know what I'm saying? Because I would 100% win. I'm telling you, 100% win. There's no competition, I win. Anyway, yeah.
How do you feel about being 14?
Gulp.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. So, you're just gulping.
Okay, all right. Don't say that.
But yeah, we are at HEB. So you're making this awkward.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
I'm sorry. My bad.
Well, she announced it out in public. Now I'm embarrassed.
Nobody heard that.
I'm sure somebody
I
did.
could barely even hear myself.
But yeah, this is my update. We are.
Like, probably the best birthday I've had.
Really? Cake.
So fat. Oh, you're videoing.
Yes. Came back from a New Year.
New Year?
Hey, we just came back from barbecue thing for 4th of July. Bro, I cannot tell you how much Rasta pasta I just like freaking threw down my throat. I just ate so much pasta. I probably gained so much weight. I'm not lying.
Wait, unveiling. Come on.
So excited. Bro, this is so, I cannot tell you. I don't care how much pasta I ate. Still gonna eat that. I'm still gonna eat that. Oh, shoot. No. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Uh-huh. All right, sister Q&A birthday edition. All right, Sully. How do you feel that you're 14 now?
The same as yesterday.
How did you feel yesterday?
The same as today. I can keep doing this.
All right. What do you think? What is your biggest goal right now that you're 14 years old?
Make it to 15.
All right. So this school year, when you're 14, what's your biggest thing that you want to achieve in school?
Oh, straight A's.
All right. So.
Yo, scraping the plate is insane. She's been scraping.
Bro, the Rasta pasta really. The Rasta pasta is really messing with my stomach right now. And then I'm going off licking birthday cake plates. Cicely, is there anything you would like to tell to the one person watching this?
Skibbity out.
Bro, we've been waiting out here for like so long, waiting for somebody to put up like really cool fireworks.
They're at the other neighborhood, but I don't think Mommy wants us to go over there.
Like,
I have my long socks on. I'm ready to go, but I don't think Mommy wants us to go over there.
Yeah, I don't really feel like getting kidnapped tonight. You know what I'm saying?
So many.
Wait. No. Wait. Not fair. As soon as we went inside. No.
And they stopped
That's
again.
not fair. That's not fair.
It is fair. We gave up on it too early.
We just went inside because we were like, nah, we give up. Just to hear the biggest freaking fireworks I've ever heard go off, and then we were. Damn! America!
Oh, we're going inside fireworks. Yeah, you're doing.
Watch the freaking. Alright. No! That's so. It's like every single time. We were out there watching it and then we walked inside.
We could have seen the fireworks from the backyard.
Oh my god. Should we go? Or are you done? You're done watching fireworks?
I've seen a lot. I've seen it. The cake tasted exactly how I thought it was going to taste. I love cake.
Alright, Fatty, we can see.
Okay.
You're acting so nice. But yeah, she's not nice. She's so
Catching onto my hair.
I'm just gonna go to bed. Well, no, I'm not gonna go to bed because I have to write my speech. You wanna help me write my speech?
What does it do?
Tomorrow?
No, I'm not helping you with that. I
Why?
hate writing. I'm not in
No,
school.
it's like, it's a, all about me. I don't know how to start it off.
You know more about you than
I obviously know more about me. I just don't know how to write the introduction. So it should be like, no, bro, literally this is what I thought my introduction would be like. Okay. Some nights I would stare at the ceiling and wonder. Stop.
You're
Let me
writing
see.
on Wattpad? Fan fiction?
No, okay. This is it. Sometimes I would stare up at the ceiling and wonder, who am I? Like the ceilings would have those answers.
Are you? No, you're not. It's a speech, not a story or a poem.
What am I supposed to do? Be like, these are the facts about me.
No,
I like dogs. I think that what?
Yo, they're actually going to dog so you just show them our neighborhood.
Came up expecting my hamster to not be there because for the last few nights, my guy has been running away. So I'm actually really happy that I see him now. So
Let's go. Oh, it's lighting up.
good morning. Don't mind that I look like this. I just got up and I was working on my speech all morning. But today I'm going out with my friend to the mall. Yeah, because I was grounded for like a month. So this is the first time that I'm going out with her then like the entire time. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna like film or anything because I don't know. She doesn't know that I have a YouTube channel. I don't know if I want to have that. Oh, I have a YouTube. Like, no. So I'm not gonna do that. But probably film a little bit there, but not much. I was just walking my dogs to volunteer. Look. All of this. Oh my God.
show you my shirt. Probably can't see it, but there's literally dirt and poop all over. Like, oh my god. And then a dog jumped on my face with his paws and he scratched me. So it's not going well. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Jeez. What are you doing? Oh, the bird. Oh, there's a bird.
IKEA is so fun. Yeah? Oh, yeah. You'd want to take. Oh!
What's up, Fast Games? Today,
Nope, I'm done. Nope, cut it.
Yeah,
cut out.
exactly.
I get wash-ups.
Exactly.
IKEA. Expose the toilet. Whoa.
This bathroom is actually really
I
cute.
really like it.
Yeah. It's really nice. So, like, would you live
Yes, sir.
there? So, like, give me 5 reasons why you love IKEA.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Those are not reasons.
You heard it. You heard it here, folks. I mean, I don't mind this. I just wish it was like light on. What do you think?
What do you mean, Lido?
Is this? Unless you want to be sad beige children. How do you think this counts as a bit? Yeah.
Ain't no way.
We're just dropping it down there, and then we can take it in.
I did not have an ending for this video, but I just want to say thank you for watching if you watched all the way through. I know that this was super, like, it wasn't like super eventful, but that's how my life is in the summer. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.